Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. NeoPix 100 home projector from Philips. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the power adapter with output 12 volt 3.5 amps, 42 watts power consumption, 3 different adapters. Press, rotate and it locks. Press this button to remove and replace the adapter for different countries. And the cable length, it is 1.2 meters. The remote control, obviously. And the projector with manuals. The cover. At the front we have the projection lens. It is an advanced LED light source. It lasts 20 years with an average usage of 4 hours per day. The front IR sensor, the back IR sensor, one VGA, connect the VGA port on a computer if you want to use that, built-in hi-fi stereo with 2 speakers, ventilation, and here connect all of your favorite devices via HDMI to HDMI ports like a smartphone, tablet, laptop or gaming console, and play all of your videos, pictures and audio files from a USB thanks to its built-in multimedia player. One USB port here. You can connect to any smart gaming console or TV box like Fire Stick or Apple TV. Dongles can be connected to the HDMI and USB port for power. Here we have AV 3.5mm audio or video input and 3.5mm audio output. Connect to external speakers or headphones. One micro SD card for media playback. There it is, you can connect your micro SD card, as well a USB flash drive, so easy. And of course here we have the DC connection for the power adapter. At the bottom, silicone pads. And here we have this screw for making the angle adjustments. And of course you can connect it and on a tripod. I like it. At the front we have the focus adjustment knob and the keystone adjustment knob. Later I will show you after the installation. Here it is the power LED indicator. When the projector is on, it lights up white. When the projector is in standby mode, the lights up in red. The on-off switch for the projector. Return to the previous screen or exit the current screen button. And here we have the left and right button, up and down, and the OK button. Open or close the setting menu button. Display all the input source and allow you to switch to a different input source. The last button. Small and compact. I like it. You can have it anywhere and just use it. With the power of Philips. And of course we have the remote control. On-off button, left and right, up and down button, source button, home, back, mute, decrease and increase button the volume. And here at the back, already pre-installed, we have 2 batteries. So let's plug it in and start the setup. And here we are at the menu. Settings. You can choose picture mode, standard, dynamic, mild, sports. User, you can adjust the contrast, brightness or color, sharpness, and you can choose color temperature, warm, medium, cool, warm. Noise reduction, low, middle, high, off, low. Volume, sound mode, sports, user, you can adjust the treble, the bass, balance, auto volume, off or on, standard, movie, music, sports, standard. Settings, you can choose the language, so many. You can adjust the aspect ratio, projection mode, front, and you can change. You can reset, software update, info, timer, you can choose auto sleep, and here from your microSD or USB drive you can watch your photos, slideshow, you can pause, previews, next, stop, repeat all, music off, on, playlist. You can rotate with a left and right button and the up and down. Music. Maximum volume. Forward, backward, forward, forward. 32 times. Previews, next, stop, repeat all, mute, unmute. Next song. I like the sound. Watch your favorite videos.
Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. 20V cordless random orbital sander from Parkside Performance Model PAESP.
Same settings in here.
Motor drive.
Previews next, stop, repeat all.
30% less vibration compared to the regular model. Idle
Info, so step.
to 10,000 RPM, vibration rate from 12,000 to 20,000 RPM, sanding seat fixation hook and loop, oscillating circle diameter 2.5 mm, sanding plate 125 mm diameter. Accessories included, recommended 4Ah battery, ready to connect with a Parkside app and 5 years warranty.
That's how you can adjust the aspect ratio.
Find out more about this product and how to use it.
And of course you can choose the source AV, HDMI 1, 2 VGA media player. I have just connected my box 1080p 60Hz and I can watch videos on YouTube on my channel. What I like most is its portability, straightforward setup and the ability to create a big screen viewing experience without taking up much space. If you want the immersive experience of a large screen for movie nights, casual gaming or streaming your favorite shows, but don't want to spend hundreds on a big TV or complicated high-end home cinema system, this little project is a real gem. It's incredibly easy to set up, highly portable and offers reliable Philips quality at a price that's perfect for casual entertainment, only €90. If you found this review helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on projector reviews, home entertainment technology and gadget tests. Thanks for watching, enjoy the big screen experience and I'll see you next time.